All right, good afternoon. This is Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College, and it has come to my attention that at least one person, and now at least two people out of the class of six, have had problems right now connecting, all right, their database. So I wanted to show you something and show you the problem they had and the fix that they came up with. Now, if you go, I've already got it open, but if you go to View, SQL Server Object Explorer, that brings it up right here. Now, there should be one or two. I don't know what you have here, but this is my main one, my local DB, etc. All right, right there. When I open that and I open up databases, you see all the databases that I've created over the years. All right, but what I want you to understand is I'm going to try to copy this line here and see it. Will it let me copy that? See, if I come over to here and I go to my properties, there we go. That's what I want, is the connection string. All right. So my connection string is what is shown right here. All right. Now don't worry about all this stuff. The point, the real important part is this right here. Now, one of the people who's in our class, all right, Grant Desher, last week had problems. And he said that when he went over on his, and he went over to SQL Server Object Explorer, it had something else in front of it. I see if I can find his email to me. His started with Project Manager. Now, if that's the case, so if you come out here and you go over to here and you open that up and yours does not say, like mine does, local DB, SQL Server, etc., you're going to have to find out what yours says. So again, you can come over and you can right mouse click on this and choose properties like I've done. Then over here it shows the entire string. The part that you need to be concerned with is this first part right here. Now, mine says this. Yours may say something else. I believe, and I could be wrong here, but I believe that when Grant did his, he said his path started with Project Manager. Now, I don't know if that meant that his path started with Project Manager like that or something like that. But if yours starts like that, all right, if yours does start like that, then try to swap out what I put in with whatever yours says after data source, whatever it happens to be. If it still doesn't work, I've had one student who already tried to come in here, and we tried to set up a Teams meeting, and we can't connect for whatever reason. All right? But if we have to, we'll go over this together Monday as a class. I'd still like you, there's no reason that you can't still, even if you can't connect to the database, you still can key everything in. All right? So I sent you out an email a little bit earlier this morning, and on that email, let's see. Of course, I can't find it right now, but I sent you guys all out. Here it is, an email a little earlier today, and it has on it the work that you've got due so far. Okay? What I've done is I have gone in, and what's on this, I have gone in and graded everyone's chapters 1 to 3 tests that I could grab. All right. If I haven't graded anything of yours yet at all, nothing, that means that whatever invite you sent me, whatever GitHub repository invite you sent me did not work. So please resend it. All right. I'm then going to come in and start to grade these. That's what I'm going to do today. As far as what's due by tomorrow, it's these 3 things. All right. Hopefully that made at least a little bit of sense to you. If it did not, email me. All right. And we'll try to set up a Teams meeting. That's really all I can tell you for right now. Thanks. I'll talk to you then on Monday.